Hey guys, it's Vaughn and I'm back with another video. I'm super excited because today's video is going to be kind of a home decor haul. Things have been really hectic. I've been doing a lot more vlog content and things, and so I wanted to just pop in with a quick haul. Today I went to one of my favorite places to go on earth, and that's IKEA. It's either IKEA or home improvement stores. That's where I love going. I love IKEA because everything is always super affordable. There's also a lot of unique items, so I can usually go to IKEA, kind of walk through the store and explore what they have, and I always find something that I like. So I was inspired to go today simply because I was trying to buy some more frames. I've been doing a lot of family photo projects throughout the house, and I wanted to go back and get some frames because I had this really good idea of a way to style Anne's room and using some of her little art projects from school. So I went to look for those Hofska frames, and then as I was there, I ended up looking at a whole bunch of other stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys what all I got today. I spent $185, which is not a lot, especially when you see everything that I got. So let's go ahead and dig in. So first and foremost, let me show you guys the frames that I got. They're actually the Hofska. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. And I got the ones that are 12 by 16, and I plan on putting her little artwork like right here in the middle, which is an 8 by 10 space. So I love these because it looks like kind of like that raw craft wood type of feel, and it's kind of goes with the theme of her room. And there are already some other frames that I got. They're a little bit larger than these that I have like right over her bed, and so I wanted to use these to go ahead and frame some of her little art projects to put on a separate little small gallery wall. So I figured that's a great way to add a lot more warmth to her room. I did have some other frames up there that I got from Hobby Lobby, but I'm kind of over those because as Anne comes home with her different projects that she does every day, they're so cute, and I usually just put them up on the fridge, and I'm like, I should frame this and make it like a thing in her room. So I plan on taking those Hobby Lobby ones down and replacing them with Anne's artwork. Picked up these floor mats, right? They're kind of rubbery at the bottom so they stay put. These are like those kind of indoor outdoor floor mats that you can put right by any entrance in and out of your home. So I have 5 entry doors, right? So there's 5 ways to get in or out of my house through a door. At those points of entry, you know, you need a rug there, but it can't just be any rug, because if it's too thick or too plush, you can't even like open the door properly. So I've noticed that with some of these outdoor rugs that I got from the hardware stores, they're actually still too thick and my door is rubbing. So I wanted to get something that's super thin, basically just a small layer right on top of the floor to kind of protect the floor right there at those entry points. So I went ahead and got 3 of these that I'm going to put my back door leading out to the patio, my side door leading out to the trash cans, and my door that comes in from the garage. That's where I'm gonna put these. Next, I went to the kitty section with Anne. I let her kind of run around and decide if there were any particular toys that she wanted to pick out for herself. And you guys, it was so special because this was actually the first time of me ever allowing her to do that. Usually when we go into stores, especially a big store like IKEA, I have her in the cart and she can't get out. But today I decided to let her run around and kind of play with some of the toys and things that they had on display. And she picked out a few things. So this first item, it's basically a child's dartboard. It's a soft plush material. You kind of just hang this on the wall or anywhere, and then the kids can throw these little plush darts at it, and it has like a hook and loop, you know, Velcro type of material, and it will stick to this. And so we were kind of playing with the displays in the store, and then I just decided that Anne must really like it, so we should get it. And so it's really big and soft. And then there's a gray and white side, which is probably the side that we'll go with. But I thought this was super cute for me to put in her room. She can play with this with her friends when they come over. These are the different ways you can have it. So I thought it was just so cute. Next for Anne, she picked up a couple other items that she really loved, and that is these teddy bears. Anne has really been into teddy bears lately. I'm not sure why. So I've just been buying her whatever she wants. And so this one I thought was really cute. It kind of goes with the like forest animal theme to her room. And then this one, she just loved it, so I had to get it for her. She was literally kissing this thing like the entire time she was in the store. It has a cute little heart, little striped little onesie that he's wearing, so I thought it was just adorable. IKEA has a ton of like oversized stuffed animals and things, so it's a lot of stuff you could get to like decorate your kid's room. I just really love IKEA for that reason. Everything is just so fun, cute, and affordable. Moving on. Okay, let's see what else I got. Okay, let me catch you guys up on a quick story. So in one of my previous vlogs, I'll link it so you guys can check it out if you haven't seen it, but I was kind of like showing you guys like my typical weekend day, like home life type of thing, and I was talking to you guys about how one of our cabinets got infested with ants and that we had to get it exterminated and all that. And then I was like on this kind of quest to sort of start to pest proof my cabinets just in case the ants were to come back, because when they were here, they got into a lot of the boxed snacks that we had in that cabinet, and I had to throw that stuff out. And so throwing food away and wasting money is like not the name of the game. So I just want to go ahead and pest proof and put everything in sealed containers from the moment I buy it from the store. So I kind of started that process a little bit with like some extra mason jars that I had just laying around, and it gave me the idea to kind of like keep going with it. So I am starting to buy more containers for those cabinets just to put more food in it. So I picked up these kind of cereal sized containers, plastic containers from IKEA. This one is good for cereal, I think, especially because it has like that open and close lid to it, so you can just like open it, pour your cereal, and then close it back, so it's not like having to take a whole top off and like do some kind of balancing act to get the products out of it. And I like these because they're also really, really tall, so you can literally pour like a whole box of cereal into here. So I got 2 of them in these sizes. I feel like it holds 2 quarts, so it's quite a bit that you get there. And then I got a couple of small ones just for like snacks and things. Well, actually this one's 44 ounces. And then for some of my pastas, right, like I usually just buy like linguine, angel hair. Those are like my favorites, and also sometimes lasagna pasta. So I got these glass jars, and I'm just gonna use these for my pastas, and they're tall enough to work for that purpose. So I wanted to definitely get some tall ones. So I got those. And then so that's it for that project, but it's a work in progress, right? I didn't want to go someplace and just like spend, you know, $200-300 on containers and bring it home and then put everything in. I wanted this to be an organic process of acquiring containers because I wanted it to really truly reflect what it is that we typically buy, like our typical food buying behavior. I wanted the containers to reflect that. So I didn't want like an overabundance of containers just coming up with stuff to put in them. I didn't want that. I wanted it to be realistic and really hold the food that we have in there. So I've just been buying it slowly. I bought some from Home Goods actually a few weeks ago, and I got some from Target and Walmart. So I've just been kind of like collecting them as I go, as I'm out. So since I was in IKEA, I saw the section with those, so I picked them up. Okay, next, you guys know I am working on getting my patio all nice for the big reveal for you guys. That video is probably gonna be coming out like within a week. I'm so close to filming it. I was just waiting to, I was a little bit distracted with my housewarming party, but at this point, the backyard is completely done. We got the new fence, we got all the new furniture, we got all the new like bits and bobs and everything. So I'm going to be filming it, I just have to find some time. But speaking of the patio though, I did get, I picked up this pillow that I think would be really cute to put back there. It's just an accent pillow. It looks like this. It's just like this little striped 20 by 20 inch pillow, and I got the cushion to go with it. And what I love about IKEA's pillow patterns and everything that they have in that department is that there are a lot of options in terms of the design, the prints. So pretty much any color scheme or theme that you're trying to go with, they will have something for you. So I like having a little bit of a mix match of pillows. So I ordered some other ones off Amazon, and then this one I'll probably get 1 or 2 more, but I didn't want all the pillows to be exactly the same. So this gave me some options there. Oh, I forgot, I did get one more thing for Anne. I couldn't resist. I was not in the market for this. She doesn't need any new towels, but I just wanted to because it was so cute. So it's like this hooded towel, and I just love that it has like that mint green color. It looks really, really cute. It also has it down at the bottom. And I think what drew me to getting this towel is just because usually when you see these type of towels, they're for infants. And Anne had a bunch of them. And then when she grew up, you know, they're too small now. So when I saw this one looks like it could fit like a 4 or 5 year old. So I'm like, this would be perfect. So I wanted to get her this for her baths, because when we do like hair wash day, or you know, sometimes her hair just gets wet in the shower just when we're just doing our regular showers. So I thought this would be great, and plus it'll help keep her towel on her because I can just put it on her head, because Anne is not like all that great with coordination. So if I do wrap the towel around her, sometimes she'll trip on it or sometimes it'll just fall. So this will help the towel stay in place. So I'm excited to give her a bath with this. And then I picked up something for Anthony. This is just a set of 5 of the IKEA Cub Boxes. I actually swear by these. I have a bunch of them for Anne's drawers, especially when she was a lot smaller and her clothes were so tiny. I didn't want them you know, sliding all around the drawers every time I open them. So I actually use these to organize every single drawer in her dresser, and then I actually got myself some in white to organize my like panties and socks and things in our closet, because we have like a drawer cabinet kind of system in our closet upstairs. So I have that for myself in white, but I wanted to get some for Anthony in black for his drawers, because his drawers are a little bit unorganized. So actually I said this was a 5-piece, I meant to say a 6-piece. So this is a whole 6-piece. It's awesome because I feel like this was only like $5, so you can organize like 2 or 3 drawers fully with just for $5. So I love that. So I'm gonna just try the one to see how much we can get organized, and then if I have to go back and get more, then I will. But also it's really cool that you can just order some of this stuff online too. So like if you go to IKEA and you buy something and you realize you need more, it's cool that you can just go online and order the extra one instead of driving all the way back to IKEA. If yours is far. Ours is far. Okay, and then you guys, I wanted to get this. I'm gonna use this as like a cheese board, because when I have like little gatherings and get-togethers, usually, you know, my friends, you know, they like to drink. So some people like whiskey, some people like wine or whatever, but everybody likes cheese and meats and things. And so I like to be able to have like my, you know, entertainment style layouts and things. So I figured this little board is super cute. I just love the shape. Looks like a surfboard. It's so cute and nice just to have out, even if you're not serving cheese or meat. I mean, you know, I could do a vegan spread on this. You know, I can put fruit, I can put veggies, I can put a combination. I could just do like all olives and you know, those kind of cocktail snacks and things. So I thought this would be super cute for that. I saw something just like this in Target, and the reason I didn't get it was because it was $60. This one was only, I don't even remember, I don't have my receipt, but trust me, it wasn't nowhere near $60 because I would have done it. But so I like being able to have like these kind of crafty formal dining accessories and things to have just on hand, because you never know when you are going to want to entertain. So I just like to have this kind of stuff on hand. I thought that was super cute. And then speaking of entertaining, I also got a box of red wine glasses. I'm actually having some red wine right now, you know, a long day of shopping. I just want to unwind with some red wine. So I got this box of red wine glasses. I just, you know, with the stem and everything, and I just really love how delicate they looked. Like, I like that it has like that globe at the top, and then like the stem is really delicate and cute. And I love the different types and styles of red wine glasses. So almost every time I see one that's cute, I'm always like, I'm gonna get that. I mean, you know, I don't even know where I'm gonna put these. I don't even know if I have room. I have so many wine glasses, but red wine is my favorite, so I'm always getting the red wine ones, but I do have some white wine ones. But anyway, these were 99 cents a glass. So this is like dollar store, you know, prices. So I went ahead and got the whole box of 6 because I'm like, I can't resist this. And I would prefer to have a set than just like 1 or 2. But at the very least, I would buy 2. I would never buy just 1. I would definitely at least buy 2. So I mean, you guys, that's pretty much it. The only other thing that I bought was a plant. It's already upstairs. I put it in our bedroom. I feel like I need at least 1 live plant in every room, if not a fake one, because my house is kind of like, you know, gray tones, you know, kind of monotone, white, black, cream, brown, that sort of thing. So I definitely need greenery from plants to kind of add a splash of color and some life into the space. So I have been doing that all around the house, and I have been loving it. So instead of doing like accent pillows or things like that to add color, I've been using plants, and there are so many different types of plants, so many styles, so many different heights, so many different types of green. Like, you really start to see all of the variety and beauty that is in just nature. So I've been bringing in plants, live and fake, all over my house, and I've been loving it. So for our bedroom, it's a lot of like cream, gold, you know, just kind of a lot of warm colors. So I thought I should bring in some green to kind of break that up a bit. So I definitely wanted to get a plant for that, and I just wanted to get something that didn't require a whole lot of sunlight. All I need to do is just like pretty much water it and keep it moving. So I've been doing really good at watering my plants and keeping them alive. So I'm excited about that. So I just went ahead and grabbed one of the plants that IKEA has available kind of like in their little marketplace. I grabbed a ceramic pot because I just love the look of a nice ceramic pot, and I just put it in our bedroom right by our dresser, by the TV. So it's really beautiful to look at as you walk by and kind of head into the closet. It's right there in the perfect spot. So that is the last thing that I bought from IKEA today. I wanted to post this video, you guys, because I wanted to share a little bit about my process of decorating my house. I've been doing a lot of decorating. I've been buying so much stuff, just like kind of like on an ongoing basis. We've been in our house for a year now, and I'm just now starting to really see how everything is coming together. So I wanted to start sharing at least a little bit of that process to kind of inspire you guys, but also kind of just bring you up to speed and fill you in on kind of my thought process and what I've been doing in order to decorate my house, just to kind of inspire you and, you know, encourage you to kind of do the same for your space. And so that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this kinds of videos. And You know, give me your feedback on the things that you've seen in my home so far. You know, I got thick skin, I'm okay. You can tell me how you feel, because this is a safe space. This is, you know, a judgment-free zone. You guys know that's how I roll, that's how I am. So let's just chill, let's talk, let's have a dialogue, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video, okay? Mwah. Bye.